Hi guys, thanks for watching.
What are we doing today?
Super easy fudge.
What are we doing it with? 2 ingredients
2 ways.
in 2 minutes.
Ready?
We're making super easy fudge. We have semi-sweet chocolate, we have premier white chocolate, KitKats, we have a couple things of sweet condensed milk, coconut flakes, and walnuts. Semi-sweet chocolate with 1 can of the sweet condensed milk. You put it in the microwave for 1 minute, stir, and then we're gonna stick it in the microwave for another 30 seconds.
So just make sure you stir it as it comes out of the microwave. Does that look good? All right, good. Could you do me a favor, just move those over in a few? So we put some walnuts in there, and that'll actually help it not stick. So if you just put it in the pan by itself, it tends to stick. Okay, get the rest of that. Try to get as much of it as possible, but you don't want it to start cooling. Kind of smear that around. Are we going all the way to the edge, or you can always make it pretty. You don't have to make it perfect. The thing is, the outside edge you can cut off and make it straight. So same as the other fudge, just 1 minute in the microwave.
So, I added dark chocolate chips to the white chocolate with the KitKat. This is going in the fridge 1 hour, and I'll show you when it's done. Hi guys, thanks for watching. So, was this not the easiest fudge ever?
It was easy. I made mine with just fudge and walnuts, and she made hers with
KitKats, dark chocolate, and coconut.
she put coconut in hers. I see that.
Are you ready?
I feel
I'm gonna
like
try yours.
I felt like I got ripped off.
Oh, this looks perfect.
I'm gonna try yours now. Oh my God, there's, I don't know if you can see in there, but there's Kit Kats. I can't see the, are you sure you put coconut, or are you lying to me?
Try it. This is delicious fudge, you guys.
Wow, that is rich. Oh, there's the coconut. I can taste the coconut. It's good. She hit a secret. We were doing a contest to see who made the best fudge. I stole her recipe because she held out on the ingredients.
And you like it?
Oh my God, it's so good.
This is delicious.
Man, that is really good with the Kit Kats in there.
You like it with the KitKat?
I do, and I can taste the hint of the coconut. It kind of reminds me of a Mounds bar.
Nice.
Really good. What about mine?
I love yours. The walnuts, delicious. Chocolate is creamy.
So the way I did mine, you have to peel it away from the side. She put hers in wax paper, or wax paper, so it came out really easy. Mine was a little tougher. I had to go around the sides, but once I got the sides broken loose from the tin, since I put the walnuts around the bottom, it ended up breaking away pretty easily after that. But I think I like yours better.
I don't know. Yours is really good.
Well, guys,
You saw how easy it was, right?
super simple. Microwave for a minute and 30 seconds in total. Pan it out. Figure out what stuff you want on the inside. I mean, it's pretty
The
much.
thing that takes the longest is cooling in the refrigerator.
Yeah, and be creative. Put anything you want in there. Skittles. I wouldn't put Star Wars.
I was thinking
in there.
Skittles, but
Yeah, I remember her saying that. But hey, If you like this video, subscribe, like it, and the notification bell. Any comments below or questions, we'd love to hear them.
Until the next time, guys.
Thanks for watching.